18 Rules of Healthy Living. Drink 2 glasses of warm water in the morning on an empty stomach. Drink 8 to 12 glasses of water a day. Never drink water while eating. Drink water 30 minutes before or after. Do not drink tea on an empty stomach in the morning. It is beneficial to eat curd in the morning and in the afternoon. Papaya should be eaten in the evening to relieve constipation. Eating fennel and cardamom after meals is beneficial. Stop eating white salt completely. Use only black salt in food. Do not watch TV or mobile while eating. Do not sleep with mobile phone close at night. Walk at least 500 steps in the morning before breakfast and after dinner. Do not eat curd, rice, rajma etc. in dinner. This increases fat. Do not drink cold water kept in the fridge. Brush your teeth after dinner. Also drink a glass of water before going to sleep. Do not eat heavy food after 5 p.m. Only the left ear should be used for phone calls. Sleep from 10 p.m. to 4 a.m. Do not use cold water to take medicines. Use plain water to take medicines.